What's up everybody, my name is Reggie Cox and in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the new Maniac Line waterless. Through our research we found out that this product was absolutely a demand to be inside of the Maniac Line. So what it's like, I'm going to tell you right now. So waterless, what is it? It's a system to clean your car without the use of water, just like the name says. However, it needs to have certain capabilities that can clean your car scratch-free. So lubrication, evaporation time should be very slow. It should give protection and a polished effect in one go. And of course, you need to have the access to fantastic quality microfibers. Waterless is extremely easy to use. By a dilution of 1 to 10, you will have a slow evaporation time, reducing the chance of creating watermarks during application. The protection it gives will let dust rest less on the surface, so a dust reduction formula is inside. And last but not least, it's for protected and unprotected cars. I'm going to add some sneaky tricks for this product itself. If you want to use this product, 1 to 5 and 1 to 10 are the two dilutions you want to go for. The most important part about waterless is not the product itself, it's the way you take off the product. And for that, soon Mafra will launch the ultimate microfiber, the multi-purpose towel that you have never seen before that's going to make the company blush. If you are working in direct sunlight, it might be a good idea to spray this product to the surface to cool down the paint and have maximum working time from the soaking capabilities of this product. So even in direct sunlight, no issues will occur. And the difference between a waterless and a quick detailer is of course the amount of use of product and the time to dry before it needs to be taken off. This concludes our video about waterless. My name is Reggie Cox. Thanks for watching. See you next time.